malungkot na balita naman na pumanaw na ang asawa ni Dina Bonnevie.
Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po inyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Dina Bonnevie's husband, Agriculture Undersecretary for Livestock, Deogracias Victor or DV Saveliano, has passed away. The sad news was confirmed by the King of Talk, Boy Abunda, on January 7 episode of Fast Talk, and Boy Abunda confirmed and the National Tobacco Association, where DV served as Undersecretary, was the first to announce and confirm his passing. Boy Abunda also shared that Dina Bonnevie and DV had celebrated the New Year in Japan, as seen in the actress' recent Instagram post. And before the program aired, Dina spoke with Boy, revealing the cause of Divi's passing. And our thoughts are with Dina and her family during this difficult time. Our prayers and condolences po sa mga naulila